on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $100 per hour as a complete beginner online. This method is one of the easiest ways that you can use to make money online without selling any product, without even doing any hard work. And the good part is that you can receive your earning through your PayPal accounts, and it's available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home without any struggle. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method, so that you can start earning money from home without even doing the work. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. As you can see on your screen, this is the website. The name is respondent.io, as you can see it right here. So this is a website for everyone. You can join this website as a researcher. You can also join this website as a research participant. So what they do is that if you join as a research participant, you are going to be earning money per every research that you participate. So when you come here, you can see, just click on get started, and what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for a participant account, as you can see it here, and you can begin to take part in research, and you are going to be paid anytime you complete the work that is assigned to you. One good thing I like about this website is that you can choose the category of projects that you want to participate, so that you can earn money. And I'm going to show you, as you can see right here, if you participate in software developers projects, you are going to earn $200 per hour, as you can see it right here. If you join marketers projects, you are going to earn $150 per hour, as you can see it here. If you join the executive projects, you are going to earn $700 per hour, as you can see it right here. Sales and support, you are going to earn $100 per hour, as you can see right here. Business owners, you are going to earn $500 per hour, as you can see it right here. Enterprise software users, you are going to earn $150. So these are the categories of projects that you can participate and then make money as a participant on this website. So what you are going to do is that you're going to click on get started. Once you click on that, you are going to sign up as a participant. So you just click on that, so that you can create your free accounts and then participate in research projects, so that you can earn money on this website for free. As you can see, once you click on sign up as a participant, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to enter your first name, enter your last name, and then your email. You can also sign up with your social media accounts. As you can see it here, you can sign up with your LinkedIn accounts. You can also sign up with your Facebook accounts. So any way that you want to sign up, you can just sign up, so that you participate in research projects to make money online from home. So I'm going to log in to show you more of the details. So once you log in, you are going to see projects that you can participate. As you can see this one right here, we are seeking for users who own a MacBook and a Windows laptop. You are going to earn $125 if you participate in this project, and you can see that it only takes 60 minutes to complete the work, as you can see it right here. So as I scroll, you can see there are other projects. So if you don't find the one that is best for you, you can just scroll down and find a lot of them. You can see this one right here. You are going to earn $100, and it will take you 90 minutes to complete the work, as you can see it right here. So let me scroll to show you more. So as we scroll, you can see a whole lot of different things. You can see this one right here. You are going to earn $120, and it will only take you 60 minutes to complete the work, as you can see it right here. So as I scroll, you can see many of the projects that you can participate to earn money online as a complete beginner, as you can see it right here. As I scroll, you can see, so you can even click on see more, and you are going to be seeing a lot of projects that you can participate to earn money. As you can see, a whole lot of different projects that you can participate to make money. Another good thing I like about this website is that you can filter the type of work that you want. So when you come to the filter, you are just going to click on that. Once you click on the filter, you can see you can select the type of project that you want. So you can see in-person projects, you can select that. Just click on apply, and you are going to get projects like that. I want you to select remote projects, so that you can do it wherever you are in the world. Another thing that you can filter is that you can just come here, filter the time. So the time that you are going to complete the project. So if you want projects that will take you 45 minutes to 240 minutes, you are going to filter that. You can also come here, if you want to reduce the time, you can filter and then get products that will take you 5 minutes to complete to 145, or you can even lower it. So it depends on the time that you want. Another thing that you can filter is the compensation, so the amount that you are going to make per every project that you complete. So you can start from $5 to $1,000. You can also decide to start from $100 to $1,000. If you don't want that, you can also reduce it to $5 to any amount that you want here. You can also just filter it the way you want, 185 to any amount here. So you can just filter the amount here that you want and then the amount here that you want as well. So as you can see, the lowest amount and the highest amount, you have control over that. So you are going to filter and then find the right projects, and so that you can make money online from home. Once you filter the project that you want, just click on apply and you are going to find the projects right here so that you can make money on this website. That is the first way that you can make money on this website. There's another way that you can also use to make money on this website even if you don't have any skills. So let me show you right here. So as you can see right here, the second way that you can also use to make money on this website is to refer friends. So when you click on refer friends, you are going to get a compensation anytime you get people to join this website and then participate in a project. As you can see right here, when you refer a participant, you are going to earn $50 bonus. As you can see it right here. So when your referral make money on this website, you are going to earn a percentage of their earning, and you can see this is just a referral bonus. So anytime you refer a person, you are going to earn this bonus $50. And then the good thing is that you can receive it through your PayPal accounts, as you can see it right here. So that is the second way that you can use to make money on this website. I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use to refer people to this website so that you can earn money for free. When you log into your account, you can see this is your referral link. So anytime you share this link and then people join through your link, you are going to be earning money on this website. So this is your referral link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to find a traffic source. You are going to find people who want to work online. You are going to find people who want to make money online so that you can recommend this site to them, and once they join through your link, you are going to be making money on this website. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use this website, moneymakersaveless.com. as you can see it right here, moneymakersaveless.com. This is a website that has a lot of people who wants to make money online. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for your free accounts so that you can promote your referral link here to get people to join the website for you to earn money. So once you come here, what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for your free account. So you can just come here, just click on sign up so that you can sign up for your free accounts. So once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your first name, your last name, email address, confirm your email address, username, password, confirm your password, and you are going to answer this question: what are the Santa's helpers called? So you are going to enter that, and you can see the answer here is ALPS, as you can see it here. Once you've done that, you are going to click on I agree to the terms. So once you enter all those things, you are going to sign up for your free accounts so that you can begin promoting your link. So I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to do it. So let me just click on login so that I will show you everything that you need to know. So once you create a free account, you are going to get 1,000 credits in your account. You can use this credit to promote your referral link for free without paying for anything. This is free credit. One thing you can do on this website is that you are going to send emails to other members on this platform so that you can get them to join your referral link. You can also send solo ads so that you can get people to join the website through your referral link. Another thing is that you are going to come to ads. You can run banner ads, text ads. You can get solo ads, as I said earlier on. So I'm going to use the text ads so that I will demonstrate for you to see. So you just click on text ads. Once you click on text ads, you can see you have 1,000 credits, and you can see that one credit is equal to 15 views. So you are going to get thousands of views for free. So what you are going to do is that you are going to type your headline here. Once you type your headline, you are going to insert your referral link here. Once that is done, you are going to enter the number of credits that you want to use. Once you have your number of credits, just click on add, and your link is going to be promoted to other members on this platform. So I'm going to do that for you to see. So the first thing is that the title. So you are going to type something like earn $200 online today, just something like this. This is a nice title. The next thing is that you are going to enter your affiliate link right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to respondent.io. When you log in, you are going to click on share link so that you get your affiliate link. Once you click on that, it has been copied to your clipboard. So you are going to come back to Moneymakers and then just paste your referral link right here. As you can see, this is my name, as you can see it right here. So this is your referral link. The next thing is that you are going to enter the number of credit that you want. So you can just type any number. So I'm going to just type 600 for this ad. 600 will get me up to 9,000 views. Once you enter the number of credit that you want, you are going to scroll down and then click on add so that your ad will start running. So just click on add and your ad is going to start running on this website. As you can see right here, the ad is ready. You can see 0 views and 0 clicks. As you can see it right here, it is new, so it is going to be there and you are going to be getting impression in the next few minutes. You can click on delete if the ad is not getting you results. As you can see, it is live right now. Once that is done, you can run another ad so that you can get people to click through your referral link and then join the website for you to earn money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.